Hi guys, welcome back. On this video I'm just going to show a quick clip of me doing the handbrake cable. So I've got the new cable here with me now and the old. As you can see, there's a slot in there and there's the small circlip which I've just put on the new one so I don't lose it. Ready? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to sand this down and give it a good paint, just because it's started to show old wear. So I'm going to give it a quick paint and then hopefully attach it to the new one, ready to go on the axle. So I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll put a time lapse up and a quick video of me sanding it down and painting it. Cheers guys. So now the rod's been painted and finished, I've put the new handbrake cable on, which just slides in there, and a little circlip to hold it into place. So now that's ready to go onto the axle for a future video. I'm still waiting for parts to come for the back axle, which I'm not sure when they're coming. There's still quite a bit of a wait on delivery. So there is going to be a lot of small videos coming. I've still got the front suspension to do, still got the engine to strip down, still got the gearbox to clean up, stuff like that. So if you do like these smaller videos, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you do want to catch up with what I'm doing on the Escort and keep updated, please subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of big things coming this year which I'm really looking forward to, so I will be doing a video soon talking about 2021 and what we're up to on this channel and where I'm going and who I'm seeing and what. So thank you very much for watching, and see you guys again soon.